boys and girls, welcome to KAROL Guitar. New stuff is coming out from KAROL G, that's Colombian artist. She released a new album. I'm not going to try to pronounce it in her native Colombian language. So in English, I think the album is titled I Don't Regret Feeling So Much. Great set of songs there. We're gonna cover a lot of them from that album on this channel. Before we move on with this tutorial, yes, I have a new secondary channel. It's called KAROL Guitar 6 strings ago. We have a link up here. I need your help, guys. Go and subscribe to that channel. Helps me a lot. That is the best way to thank me. So I really ask you to go there, visit my new channel. It's a completely new way of kind of educate you guys from this. You have that just a full playthrough with chords shown on the screen. That's it. You just follow along and play and you learn a full song from A to Z. Now let's focus on this one, Maybe. Okay, so Maybe is built upon kind of 4 chords and then it rolls in the same way through the entire song. So we're gonna look into that. Without any capo, we're gonna go into the chords. We're gonna start with D minor first. D minor is played, open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have next what I would call the A minor C. It's basically a C actually, but we have this note we want to emphasize there from the melody. So it looks like an A minor plus that C note. Yeah, not talking, just gonna explain it. Third A, second D, second G, first B, and open high E. Alright, next chord will be the A sharp major 7. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the first fret, so you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom and up like this, then you need to add third on D string, second on G, and third on B. That's the A sharp, and then we have the F finally. And that's another bar, still on the first fret. This time you push down all strings, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. If you choose to go with the melody, later on I'm going to show how, pretty soon actually, then you don't have to have that bar. You can just actually place the index finger on the first fret E string. You're going to have that higher strings open down there, so that's an option. Let's go into the melody. I just mentioned it, and we're going to go chord by chord, starting with D minor. It goes like this. 3 notes, that's kind of the formula for these chords. So open D, first high E, and second G. I'm gonna play it twice, so. Then we have this A minor slash C part. It goes for 2 times, so it's third fret A string, open high E, and second G. Then we have the A sharp. You're gonna play this for 3 times. So it's first fret A string, first fret high E, and second G. So 3 times. And then finally you have the F, and it's only once played. So it's first fret high E, E in the bass, then open high E, and second G. And that's it. So and then a new round. All right, that's it. Now you can play that through the entire song, but you can also switch up to some strumming. And if you choose to go that route, you can play the full chords now. So D minor, 2 string rounds, and you just follow along there with the A minor C, 2 rounds, the A sharp, 3 rounds, and F, 1 round. Okay, so what you're gonna play now is that D minor, and it sounds like this with the strumming. So I play down, down, up, down. And once you play that, you see that fits perfectly to the melody, so you can search for the actual notes there. And that is the reason for us having that F not with bar. You could go with a full bar, but you can also go just to point with the index finger on the first fret E string. In that way, you have the open high E in the bottom. So, like this. When you search the notes, if you don't care about that, you just hold the full chords as they are and play the same strumming. So, in the context, it goes like this: D minor 2, AC2, A sharp 3, and F1 like this. And so on. And that's it, my friends. That is how you handle a song called Maybe. If you're a fan of KAROL G, maybe me, maybe you like my voice or my style of teaching or playing, then stay tuned here, guys. More songs will come out from this new album. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.